Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make small modifications in Google Chrome to enable the tab audio muting button. So basically, instead of having the audio icon, you're going to have a mute button. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. I'll give you some example guys. So punta lang tayo sa ating YouTube channel. So click lang natin yan. Alright, so makikita nyo dito lang sa taas yung little volume icon kung paano ito i-mute. So dito lang ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then click mo lang ito mute sites. Okay, so if you want to change it to a mute button on, all you have to do is kailangan mo lang add ng tab, and then dito lang sa searching address bar ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung Chrome // and then type mo lang yung plugs. Ito siya. So type mo lang yung Chrome / and plugs. So enter mo lang siya. And then dito sa search plug ay kailangan mo lang i-search yung tab audio, and then ito na siya. Alright, so ito yung tab audio muting UI control. Okay, so once you do this process, no need to right click on the tab to mute or unmute. So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta dito and then kailangan mo mag right click para mag mute or unmute. So ito na yung gagamitin natin. Right, so when enable the audio indicators and the tab stripe double as tab audio mute controls. So pwede ito sa Macs, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Pax Asia, and Lapros. Kung paano ito enable or disable, i-click mo lang itong arrow down na to, and then select mo lang yung enable, and then kailangan mo lang mag-relaunch. Alright, so click mo lang itong relaunch, and then na-enable na siya. Alright, kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so click mo lang ito, and then select mo lang yung disable, and then kailangan mo lang talaga mag-relaunch, click mo lang ito. Ayan, so na-disable na siya. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-turn the Chrome audio icon on a tab into a mute button. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you at my next tutorial.